This is TechCrunch.
YouTube expands AI deepfake detection to politicians, government officials, and journalists. I'm Imran Sheikh, and your Wednesday Daily Crunch featuring 3 big tech headlines and a little bit of startup news starts right now. Adobe announced on Tuesday that its AI assistant for Photoshop is becoming available to users in beta, on the web, and in the mobile apps. The company is also adding new AI-powered image editing capabilities to Firefly, its tool for media generation and editing. Now, the creative tooling company first announced an AI assistant for Photoshop during its Max event all the way back in October. The feature, now rolling out to users, can help them remove objects or people from images, change colors, or adjust lighting through prompts. Users can also use natural language to instruct the AI assistant to add soft glow, crop in a specific format, enhance shadows, or transform the background to give a different look to your image. Adobe said that paid users of Photoshop will be able to create unlimited generations with the AI assistant through April 9th, and free users will get 20 generations to start with. How generous. In addition, the company is adding a new feature called AI Markup in public beta, which lets people draw markers on the screen and use the AI assistant to transform those objects. For instance, you can draw a flower or mark an object to remove to modify the background. What's more, Adobe is adding new image editing tools to its Firefly media creation tool. Firefly is getting a generative fill, which has been present in Photoshop for a few years now for replacing or adding objects and modifying the background accordingly. Zoom's AI-powered avatars, which can represent users in online meetings, will be available to use later this month, the company announced on Tuesday, alongside news of other tools and services. Now, notably, the company is introducing its own AI docs, slides, and sheets apps, an AI agent builder for non-technical people, and a voice translator for meetings. The company said its AI-powered productivity apps will be available as a preview in the spring. Now, these AI avatars, announced all the way back last year, are the long-anticipated photorealistic avatars that can mimic your appearance, your expressions, your lip, and eye movements. Designed to mine your actions when you're not camera-ready, Zoom says the avatars will work in online meetings as well as in its asynchronous video messaging product. Alongside the AI avatars, the company is adding a deepfake detection technology for meetings to alert participants of possible audio or video impersonation. Other new tools include a suite of AI-powered office apps, including AI docs, slides, and sheets. The company said that based on meeting transcripts and data from other services, users can create document drafts, spreadsheets with data, or presentations. In addition, Zoom's AI Companion 3.0 is now coming to its desktop app after first arriving on the web in September. WorkVivo, its app for employee communication, will receive the AI assistant as well. The assistant can connect to services such as Slack, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Gmail, Outlook, Asana, and Jira to let users ask questions across different knowledge bases. For developers, Zoom is making available its speech, vision, and language intelligence APIs that could be deployed on-prem or in the cloud. Plus, the company is updating its chat experience by using AI to surface key insights and summarize threads. YouTube's expanding its likeness detection technology, which identifies AI-generated deepfakes, to a pilot group of government officials, political candidates, and journalists. Members of the pilot group will gain access to a tool that detects unauthorized AI-generated content and lets them request its removal if they believe it violates YouTube policy. Now, the technology itself launched last year to roughly 4 million YouTube creators in the YouTube Partner Program, following earlier tests. With the new pilot program, YouTube aims to balance users' free expression with the risks associated with AI technology that can generate a convincing likeness of a public figure. Leslie Miller explained that not all of the detected matches would be removed when requested. Instead, YouTube would evaluate each request under its existing privacy policy guidelines to determine whether the content is parody or political critique, which are protected forms of free expression, don't you know? The company noted it's advocating for these protections at a federal level, too, with its support for the No Fakes Act in D.C., which would regulate the use of AI to create unauthorized recreations of an individual's voice and visual likeness. To use the new tool, eligible pilot testers must first prove their identity by uploading a selfie and a government ID. They can then create a profile, view the matches that show up, and optionally request their removal. YouTube says it plans to eventually give people the ability to prevent uploads of violating content before they go live, or possibly allow them to monetize those videos, similar to how its Content ID system works. The company would not confirm which politicians or officials would be among its initial testers, but said the goal is to make the technology broadly available over time. Now let's find out the latest in startup business news, all in about 1 minute with our friend producer Dennis.
Imran, thank you. And we begin with Legora. This AI platform for lawyers is now valued at $5.55 billion, following a $550 million Series D to fuel its growth in the U.S. That's despite growing competition with rival Harvey, but also with Microsoft Copilot and generalist large language models. Publicly listed legal software companies saw their stocks drop when Anthropic unveiled a legal plugin for Claude. Legora's platform is now used by 800 law firms and legal teams, and investors took note. And Drew Perkins has been inventing computer network tech and building startups since the dawn of the internet age. Now he's back as a co-founder and CEO of AI networking startup Iridu. The company officially came out of stealth on Tuesday with an oversubscribed $200 million Series A round. Iridu has now raised a total of $230 million. And that'll do it for me. Imran, back to you.
And folks, that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Sarah Perez, Ivan Mehta, and more awesome TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here tomorrow, same tech time, same Crunch channel. And until then, find us at techcrunch.com.